Affordable privacy. That's the motto for this property. Situated on 0.56 acres and carved out of these beautiful trees, the centrally located Osage Beach property is perfect for you. This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and this is 6893 Huntington Road in Osage Beach. Let's go check it out. Thanks for following us along on the tour of this private lake retreat. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or visit our website at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.